Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LB. Welcome back to my new tutorial video. So this tutorial is for advanced. If you just want to get clean, transparent footage, this video is for you. How to remove green screen in Adobe After Effects. So guys, most people, they like to use Premiere Pro, but this After Effects has more features about removing green screen than Premiere Pro. That's why I said it is advanced tutorial. So now let's jump on it in After Effects. Let's see how the process is. First, just come up here on Adobe After Effects. Okay, so I'm using version 2023. Any version you are using, guys, there is no problem. Okay, first, I'm going to import my clip. Just double click here, and I'm going to use this clip, guys. So this is how my clip it is. Okay, so then just move it down here. Okay, on this timeline, direct the sequence will be created. Okay, it depends on their resolution. Okay, so now this is how clip it looks like. Okay, so guys, if I just want to shoot the clip on the green screen, so I did not use the flat image mode. Okay, this is in Rec 709. Okay, so for the some people, they can call it like a neutral portrait, something like this. Okay, so then guys, when you are shooting your video on the green screen, guys, it's better to use the shutter speed, which is up to 100, because it helps you to prevent like the blur. Okay, when your subject is moving, okay, it helps you to prevent some more blur. Okay, so if it is down to 100, so it brings more blur. Okay, and then it can be complicated to remove your green screen. Okay, and then here, guys, I use the soft light. Okay, so here on the top there is some soft box. Here it is one light. Okay, and then here too there is another light which is pointing on the green screen only. And then, guys, make sure on your background there is no shadow of your subject. This is much better, guys. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do, maybe first let me trim it. Okay, just come up here on this, on this work area start. Okay, and then you have to hold the shift, guys. Okay, and then you pull, and then just even the something which is behind, for example, I don't want it. Okay, maybe I just want my clip to be ended by here, and also just come up here and then hold shift on your keyboard, and then click here on this work at the end, then just put it right here. And then when you're done, just light click here and then click here on trim comp work area. Okay, now you see I remains this clip only, guys. So guys, what I'm going to do, just come up here on this effect or preset, and then when you don't see this effect or preset, you can just come up here on this window and then make sure this effect preset is enabled. Okay, and then, guys, and I'm going to search the effect called the key. Yes, the key. Yes, Keylight 1, 2, guys. We know that in Premiere Pro we use Ultra key. Okay, but here in Adobe After Effects now we use the Keylight. Okay, so now drop it here on this clip. Okay, and then, guys, what I'm going to do, just come up here on this screen color, and I'm going to use this icon, guys. Okay, I have to use this one, and then you have to pick on the green screen directly, guys. Okay, guys, here the green screen is not removed well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, just come up here on this final result and then go here on this screen mate. Okay, so now you see how these things looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I have to get the white subject. Okay, clean white subject, and then the black background. Okay, so first let me just come up here on this screen again. Maybe, yes, I can just decrease, yes, something like this. Okay, you see the green, yes, the background is becoming black. Okay, and then let me just come up here on this screen balance. I can just decrease because I just want the white subject. Okay, so guys, this is not enough. So now you see here on my subject there is something which is black color, because I just want to remove it all. Okay, so what I have to do, just come up here on this screen mate. Now here we have the clip black, clip white. Okay, so first I have to increase this clip black. Okay, now you see the background, it is completely black. Okay, so now about this white, okay, and I have to remove to decrease something like this. Now you see, now the subject, it is completely white. So guys, for here now I can make sure the green screen, it is already removed. Okay, so now when it is already removed, now just come up here on this screen mate and then put it on final result as default. Now you see how my subject it is. Okay guys, so I just want to remove these things. Okay, it is some softbox, which is okay, it is my softbox. Okay, and then I'm going to use the masking. Okay, that's why I have to come up here, okay, on this pen tool. And then for example, when you have like a green screen which is not fitting well on your frame, okay, so now I can mask where my subject it is, okay, in order to remove the things, other things, okay, which is not subject. Okay, this is right. Okay, now you see everything, it is removed. Okay, so now guys, when I zoom my subject, guys, you see there is some this edge, okay, it is not looking good, guys, okay, as I want. So that's why I just come up here on this screen soften. Okay, maybe when I add the screen soften, guys, let me just put it like 5. Okay, now you see how this, yes, how this subject it is already smoothed. But okay, then when it is too much, guys, okay, you can just reduce. Let me just put it like a 2. Let me see. All right, so this is a nice. And then guys, what you have to do here on the green screen, there is some reflection of the green screen. Yes, here on the arms, okay, there is some reflection on the green screen, even here too. For example, yes, when I zoom here too, guys, you see there is some reflection of the green screen. So what I have to do, and I have to add the effect which is called the advanced. Okay, so advanced spill suppressor. So and I have to drag and drop it here on this clip. So and then now this this green screen which is on my subject, it is already removed. Okay, this is a pretty nice, guys. Okay, and then guys, when you have already removed your green screen, now it's time to add my background. Okay, so for example, guys, let me just add my background. Okay, and I have to import again my background. All right, so guys, here I have some yes, background, the black background. You see how it looks like. And then here too, there is some PNG image. I just want to put it behind of this subject. You see how it looks like. Okay, now yes, when I play, you see how my subject is. Okay, but make sure if your green screen it is removed well. Okay, so here there is something which seems like black. So what I have to do, guys, okay, just let me just come up here on this clip. Okay, and then just come up here on this effect settings. Okay, and then guys, let me just come up here on this screen shrink grow. Okay, let me just put it on minus, for example, 3. Okay, all right, now you think, yeah, everything it is already removed. You see, guys, now my subject it is looking nice. So guys, and I just want to animate this background here too. Okay, I just want to animate this shape. Okay, which is back on this subject. Okay, so it is this one. When I open up and then open this transform and then open this rotate. Okay, so when I increase this rotate, you see what it is happening. All right, so let me just add like a keyframe at the beginning, okay, of the rotation. And then when I jump like a 10, or let me jump like, yes, 20 frames. Okay, and then I have to spin it something like this. All right, so now when I play, guys, so let me just play it in like a third. Okay, so when I play, all right guys, so this is how it's done. So, and let me know if this video helped you. Please leave your thumbs up and subscribe. So for the people who have some questions, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know what can I help. So, and that is it, and I will see you in next video. Peace.